Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the noise filter in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new noise filter. The noise filter is used to eliminate the electromagnetic noise coming from the washer. It's mounted under the top cover panel. If the washer won't turn on or it makes a buzzing or electrostatic sound, check and replace the noise filter. To get to the part, we need to take off the top panel. 2 Phillips screws, 2 bottom Phillips screws at the back at the hinges here. We're taking them out, and as you can see, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. All right, next I'm going to slide the top backwards here towards my belly, and about 1 inch from the control panel, and we're going to lift it up. Here we are. Without the top, we can see the filter. It's mounted on the right-hand side of the washer in the upper portion. So first we need to disconnect these 2 plugs, that the pink and the white, and there's a locking tab on the side and the locking tab at the bottom of that plug. So we're gonna squeeze it and pull it. Now I'm gonna use the Phillips screwdriver. Gonna take out that single Phillips screw on the top so we can remove the filter. Gonna slide it and removed. This is the old noise filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm gonna install this filter. I'm gonna put this pin in the cutout and slide it to the left. And then I'm going to secure it with this beautiful Phillips screw. And now I'm going to connect these 2 plugs, white to white and pink to pink. And now we can install the top. Just about 1 inch before we hit the control panel. Align it and slide it forward. Now we're going to install the screws at the back here. 2 Phillips screws to secure the top. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it. And the opposite side. And it's ready to go. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.